Should I drink lots of water after my cellulite treatment? Am I allowed to exercise before and after cellulite treatment? What should I eat on cellulite treatment day? See the end to tell you the answer. Do not eat for 2 hours after treatment. If your physician has cleared you to exercise, get a minimum of 30 minutes cardio after treatment. Eat food that will help you to flush toxins from your body. Follow a strictly healthy diet on the day you receive a cellulite treatment to achieve maximum results, and do so especially right before and right after treatment. Low calorie, low carbohydrate, low fat, and a low sugar diet 24 hours pre and post treatment will ensure your body utilizes the fat released by the fat cavitation process. Drink lots of water, 2 liters a day. But always, not just on treatment day. Nothing magical will happen if you suddenly drink more water on the day and no extra toxins will be removed. If you're not drinking enough water, it is impossible to lose weight or inches. Exercise if possible. Intensely if possible, and right before or right after your treatment if possible. And most importantly, try to have a strictly healthy diet on the day in order to make the most of that specific treatment. No coffee. One of the most important things to avoid after fat removal treatment is excessive caffeine consumption. Caffeine, when consumed in large quantities, is a diuretic. Diuretics dehydrate you and elevate your blood pressure. No drink. Avoid alcoholic beverages 1 to 3 days before and for 3 days, 72 hours after the day of the treatment. The metabolism of alcohol will inhibit the metabolic breakdown of the disintegrated fat cells and impede the elimination of fat in the area treated.